Alright, doing a quick little video here. This is the mother clutcher for the Kawasaki Brute Force, and what we're doing is a little weight comparison. Wonderful scale from Harbor Freight. We got the EPI red we're going to be putting in for the next upcoming race, and now we got the weights. Now this is the factory one that I had taken apart, really crusty. What we want to do is check out the weights. These are the mother clutcher. This is the one that came out of the factory, and this is EPI. EPI wanted to help out, and they gave me a little support, so I want to try their product and see how it works. Some people love them, some people don't like them, so we're going to check it out at the track. Alright, so let's turn it on. Again, I don't know how accurate this thing is, never used it. So what we're going to do is this. They say this is 56, 59, so just 3 grams off. This is the factory one, the factory Kawasaki one out of the 08. 67, so just kind of do the math off of that. And this is the mother clutcher, 72. Well, there you go. That's going to be a massive weight difference, and you can see also the profile is different versus the factory ones. What does that mean? I'm no expert, but I guess it's just the power delivery. That's what they said. The techs at EPI said that it's just the power delivery is different. So let's try it out, but I thought it'd be interesting to see the difference between the mother clutcher weights, factory weights, and then EPI weights. Bonus content, there's the factory clutch 2008. That is the spring out of the 750. That is the EPI maroon spring, and that is out of the mother clutcher, the 2012 style clutch. They obviously all have different spring rates, but I just want to show you there is obviously a big difference in the 2008 and 2012 style springs. Alright guys, wish me luck.